Yeah, I'm back, y'all. We back with another one, y'all. One Stop Drip Shop, unboxing of the Bando. You heard? Back with some news you could use. Yeah, just some real fly shit I got in store for y'all today, man. You know how we coming. Yeah, it's all about the details, though. You know what I'm saying? If you want time, then you know you gotta get your ass a little cardigan, my boy. Like, just on some fly shit, you know what I'm saying? All the new designers, they got they fly ass cardigan out. Louis got a dope cardigan. Dior, Prada, everybody got a dope cardigan right now. But I just happened to hop in a Celine joint, you know what I'm saying? Hopped in a Celine cardigan, a little different. I was gonna do the Marnie shit. Marnie had a cool cardigan I liked, and Louis had some real colorful shit, man. It was dope. It was way more distressed and fuzzy than this, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna fuck with it, but how could I go wrong with the black and white with the dogs on it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I said fuck that. I'm going with the Celine. My boy. I fuck with Celine too, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hopped in this shit, gang. Word. Yeah, this gonna set you back though. This gonna set you back, gang. Like, this gonna set you back right here. I'm not even gonna hold you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let you go do the research on this. I ain't even gonna sit up here and pop shit. And you know what I'm saying? Have y'all niggas in my pockets, but this gonna set you back, my nigga. Fuck a arm, leg. It's gonna be an arm, leg, a torso. Like, it's gonna cost you an arm, leg, a torso, all that, my nigga. Like, this ain't for the faint of hearts, my boy. You gotta really be doing this shit, living this shit, man. This one gonna set you back. This ain't the brag or nothing. I shouldn't even be buying shit like that. We ain't millionaires yet, man. But, you know what I mean? A nigga got expensive taste, man. Fuck, I can't help it, bro. I don't know why I don't like regular shit, my nigga. Sometimes I wish I did, bro. It'd be shit. It's a lot more money saved, you know what I'm saying? And we preaching the money you save today gonna save your ass tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? We ain't trying to spend all our money on this shit, word. But I'm gonna say that for another video, my nigga. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this shit, though, man. And I know some of y'all gonna go on the website and seeing what a nigga dropped on this shit. If you know, matter of fact, let's see who really living this shit, man. Leave in the comments what I spent on this cardigan right here. Leave in the comments what I spent on this cardigan. You feel what I'm saying? Or I want to see who really living this shit, man. Leave in the comments. You know what I mean? But yeah, shit, this a timeless piece, so we gonna, you know how we rate shit. Where this a timeless piece. I bought it when it was out. This ain't a late piece. I buy certain pieces I buy late too, you know what I mean? But this wasn't that. So I would rate this like, I like this cardigan, man. I would rate it like a it's tough. I give it a 9, 8.5, 9. You know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Yeah, I like this shit, man. I felt fly as a motherfucker in this cardigan, you know what I mean? But y'all probably, I'm gonna see what y'all think, man. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this shit. One Stop Drip Shop, unboxing of the Bando. Play ahead to stay ahead, you know what I mean? Y'all know how we rockin', man. Word.